The next Gen AI activity in this series we are going to learn is categorize. How this one works, let's see. Let me first remove this and then let me add this activity. This is the continuation of what we did yesterday. And here I am adding the new activity called categorize. This is a UiPath Gen AI activity. All you have to do, simply click on it and the activity get added. As we have already built a connection, the Gen AI connection, it will automatically pick that. After that, the content. So where is the content? So the content is there in the content generation where it is writing a phrase. So here I would be selecting text and click outside, and you can see the content has been provided to the categorize. It requires a certain content or the phrase to categorize it. And then these are categories. How would you like to categorize it? So yesterday we saw a prompt, right? This is the prompt which we have downloaded from UiPath Academy. So in this one, if you see, this is the categorize. So all I have to do, simply copy this bug report. This is one category, add, and then I'll go here and copy this and add it here. Remember not to click outside, because if you, for example, if I click outside, whatever I've written is currently, getting omitted. Maybe there could be a slight improvement on this one. However, if you keep it, click inside, nothing happens, it will stay. So let me copy again, quick, and then a technical, this is the definition. Let's read the definition. A technical issue or a malfunction where the product doesn't work as expected, crashes, errors. So this should be categorized as bug report. Okay. So put the definition and then add a new category. What is the second category? Feature request. Let's copy that. A suggestion to add or improve capability that doesn't currently exist in the product. So this is a feature request. This is the description of the category. Let's apply that. Next, add the third one, complete. This is another category. So what is the description of this? A negative feedback about user experience, right? A negative feedback about the user experience, product limitation. So this is a complaint, any kind of a complaint by the customer. So this will come here. Next, praise. So let's copy praise. This is another category. What is the description of the praise? Positive feedback or appreciation for the product. So in future, when you are building any automation, what kind of a category you are looking for, you just have to write a description about it. Okay. Next is other. The final is other. So what the other means? Messages that doesn't or don't clearly fall into categories above, including general inquiries. So this is your. So let's put it here. All right, pretty simple and straightforward. And all I will do, I will simply hit on save. So do not click outside, otherwise all the things that you have written might get omitted, maybe because of a bug. Okay, you see it has not written anything. Let me, there is some slowness. Let me add it very quickly. So now all the categories has been saved. Okay, this is all saved, all working fine. Now description of the content, short description of the content being categorized. So here I am categorizing the customer customer feedback. All right, now let's look at the additional properties. So this is the variable which will be holding the output. Now whether it's working or not, for that I am adding a log message, and I would select as info, and here let's write. So what are the things we would like to print? Let's first print the body of the email. What exactly it is trying to categorize. Let's print that. So let me print it here. I would say email body, right? Email body, colon, and then the email body is there inside the for each email body. Done. After that, I'm going to hit enter. The next thing I want to write content generation. the output of the content generation, what exactly the phrase it has created. Now for that I would be using the content generation, and then I'll click on text. Okay, the next is category. What category it fall into? So I'll use the categorize. There is something called category, I'll use this. Okay, so it will type all the texts here. There is some error. Value for a required activity argument message was not supplied. uh, let's see what is the problem. So I have supplied all the required variables here. Now all I would do, run it and see how it works. Okay, so let me hit on debug on cloud, and I'm going to hit on save and debug. So you can see it has started producing the output. So this is the body of the email, and the content generation, the sentence is here, and the categorize is complete. So let's see, let it run for some of the items, and then we will stop it and try to read how is the output of the category. So let me stop it and let me download the logs. Okay, now if you look at here, so the first one is the email body. Okay, and the content generation is all about password resettling missing on the login page and bug report. So category is a bug report. The next one is the next email body, if you see, and the content generation is a positive feedback on the new app interface. Okay, because if you read this, like the new look of the app, and the categorize is praise. Now one small mistake what I'm finding here, in the content generation it is also creating a category. So how do I rectify that? All I have to do, I'll go back to the studio, and in the content generation, the prompt which I have written, let's review that prompt. So in the prompt here, actually I have kept this categorize. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, so this content generation, this one. Okay, let me remove this particular part and then save it. Okay, after saving, if I run it, I think that particular category part won't appear again. Let's see it. Okay. Okay. All right, so let me stop it and let's download the log and see how the output this time it's coming. Okay, let's read it. So this is my email body. So in the content generation, it only written the phrase password reset link missing on the login page. And in the categorize, which is specialized to do this activity, so here it is saying bug report. Okay, and if I read the second one, here also saying it's a positive feedback, so it is the categories praise. So based on the definition of the categories we have provided, it is doing its part. So try this out and let me know which are the areas that you can utilize this particular Gen AI activity. Let me know in the comment section.